Shivratri is when you repose in your being. Night gives you comfort. However frustrated you are, when you sleep, you are not touched by frustration. The sleep relieves you of pain, suffering, frustration, desires, fear, everything. There is no fear in sleep. There is none of these emotions in the sleep because it relieves you from all this and it comforts you. When we are awake, we are so busy, we are caught up in so many things. And when we are tired, we fall asleep, we get into inertia. But there is something in between. When you consciously repose in your being, you encounter that which is magnificent, that which is universal, that which has no boundaries, that which has no time. Shiva is beyond time, and yet he is called the grand time. You feel the timelessness, isn't it? When you meditate, what do you feel? When you take a dip in that emptiness that you are, that emptiness is full of all glory, all bliss. We get so fried by our desires and our fears and our anxiety and our wants and dislikes. We need rest. And that rest is what meditation is. And meditation is that which leads to Shiva Tattva, the Shiva principle. For a moment you see all the activities and the whole world, and the entire phenomenal world as ephemeral, as temporary. It's like a dream. And the dream nature of everything lifts you to the reality that you are. You are that vast consciousness which has no limit. And we begin that with emptiness. And the way is devotion. The divinity accepts everything from you, whatever you have. You have guilt, offer it to the divine. Thorns are flowers. It all belongs to the divine. So anything that is bothering you, anything that you hold on within you, you have to simply let go. Know that it's not yours, it belongs to the Shiva. Shiva is very personal, yet he is universal. Shiva is beauty, yet he is unseen. Shiva is in every particle of the being. Everything what we see is Shiva. Yet what we don't see is also Shiva. It's the night that gives you the vision of infinity. In the daytime you cannot see infinity. In the night you see how many universes are there, how many stars. The glory of the existence is visible in the night. And in night you don't see many things. Right? In the same way, in the night takes you on its lap and comforts you, soothes you of every other emotions, good or bad. And same is samadhi. When you go deep in meditation, it brings relief to you. It uplifts you. That's what Shivratri is about. Be awake inside and repose in yourself. Many devotees from time immemorial have sung All the sins vanish. Just say Om Namah Shivaya. All the lacks disappear from you. Say Om Namah Shivaya. Fears will fly away. Say Om Namah Shivaya. What do you want? What more do you want? When lack disappears, fear disappears, tiredness goes away, and you are left with bliss and pure bliss. And that is Shiva. Shiva is Sat, the truth. Chit is consciousness, and Ananda, bliss. A yogi finds it so obvious, and one is not yogi, he finds it just a hearsay or story. He feels, oh, it just goes above from here. But a yogi knows it, oh yeah, correct, that's right. Right? So you're all yogis. All are yogis. Shivoham, Shivoham, I am Shiva, I am Shiva. This I in us is nothing but Shiva. And then Sarvam Shivamayam Jagat, the entire universe, everything here is filled with Shiva, is soaked in Shiva, is manifestation of Shiva. These two feelings. Everything is Shiva and I am Shiva. That's it, done. So for you to go deep in meditation, know that you are loved. Shiva loves you so dearly. You are loved and you are lovely. Because you are made by Shiva, so you have to be lovely. There is no choice. However you have been created, the Creator is responsible. So however you are, and that role that you have been given is given by Shiva. And so it has got to be lovely. It has got to be beautiful. So, what you'll say? You are loved, number one, and you are lovely. See how the mind becomes free with these two understanding, putting yourself into this vibration of this positive, beautiful, universal vibration of the mantra, of chants that uplifts our consciousness in more than one way, in many, many ways. Okay?